Tesla semi-truck motorhome. The semi-home would provide a roomy and relaxing interior despite its minimal and contemporary facade. In addition to being able to travel up to 500 miles on a single charge, the semi-home's battery could be recharged to 70% in about 30 minutes using a Tesla semi-charger. The semi-home would be a road monster, powered by 3 separate motors that allow it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds while carrying a full load. Drivers of the semi-home would enjoy a comfortable and secure journey thanks to the vehicle's centrally located seats and active safety measures. The semi-home would be a fantastic asset and a dream come true for RV travelers. The price of a Tesla Semi can range from $150,000 to $180,000, depending on the capacity of its battery. When you consider the money you'll save on gas and on repairs, that's a steal for a high-end RV. Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T 2023. If you are looking for a luxury RV that can take you anywhere, you might want to check out the Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T 2023. This is not your ordinary RV, but a beast of a machine that has 8-wheel drive, a side-opening terrace, and a rooftop solar panel. The Conqueror T can go through water up to 4 feet deep, travel up to 1,400 miles on a single tank of diesel, and provide you with a living space of 25.5 square meters. You can enjoy the comforts of home with 2 kitchens, 3 refrigerators, 2 huge TVs, a washer-dryer, and a coffee machine. You can also entertain your guests on the upper deck, which has a U-shaped dinette, a barbecue stove, and a Bose sound system. The Conqueror T is the ultimate off-road RV for the adventurous and the affluent. But be prepared to pay a hefty price for this luxury. The Conqueror T starts at 10.88 million yuan, which is about $1.7 million. Marathon Coach 1379. The Marathon Coach 1379 is a luxury recreational vehicle that blends cutting-edge design, contemporary style, and premium amenities. This beautiful X345 double-slide coach from the year 2024 comes with a roomy living area, a modern kitchen, 2 convenient bathrooms, and a comfortable bedroom. The coach's outside is a dramatic red and silver color scheme, while the interior is decked up with a cozy fireplace, patterned carpeting, leather couches, gold accents, and soft lighting. In addition to its comfortable interior, the coach's high-tech amenities include a Crestron audio system with surround sound, an automatic awning package by Girard, a 20-kilowatt Kohler generator, a Freedom Plus sewer system, and a TechLink electrical system, all of which are protected by patents. You can take the high life with you wherever you go, thanks to the Marathon Coach 1379. This spectacular motor coach can be yours for only $2,999,000. KEU Mobile Home. If you are looking for a home that can go anywhere with you, you might want to check out the KEU Mobile Home. This is a modular prefabricated house that is mobile, self-sufficient, innovative, and durable. It is manufactured with the best construction systems and insulation, fully equipped with the latest technology, and ready to be inhabited where you want. The KEU Mobile Home comes in 4 different models, inspired by the seasons of the year: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Each model has its own colors and textures, but they all share the same quality and comfort. The KEU Mobile Home has a 100% recyclable steel structure, integrated chassis, 4 wheels on axle, domotic central, self-sufficient photovoltaic installation, energy-efficient windows, smart TV, and more. You can have your own KEU Mobile Home for as low as 60,000 euros. Hymer Venture S. The Hymer Venture S is a motorhome that will take you to new heights of luxury and adventure. It is a revolutionary vehicle that features a pop-top roof with a loft bedroom, a spacious living area with a panoramic window, and a modern kitchen with a multifunctional wall. The Venture S is powered by a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 with a 190 horsepower engine. and has a standard all-wheel drive, off-road suspension, and LED light bar. It also has a Smart Connect system that lets you control all the compatible devices via the Hymer Connect app. The Venture S is equipped with solar panels that can keep you self-sufficient for up to 10 days, and has a stylish interior design with high-quality materials and ambient lighting. The Venture S is the ultimate motorhome for the discerning traveler who wants to explore the world in comfort and style. The price of this amazing motorhome starts from £197,540. Airstreamy Stream Concept. Imagine a travel trailer that can go anywhere, do anything, and power itself. That's the Airstreamy Stream Concept, a futuristic vision of RVing that combines electric mobility, advanced technology, and sustainable design. The Estream is more than just a home on wheels. It's a partner in adventure. It can assist your tow vehicle with its own drive axle and motors, extend your range with its high-voltage battery and solar panels, and move itself into the perfect spot with a remote control interface. The eStream also features a modern and spacious interior, with all-electric appliances, Wi-Fi connectivity, and sleeping space for 4. The eStream is not for sale yet, but if it ever becomes a reality, it will surely be a premium product for the most discerning travelers. The estimated price tag for this concept is around $250,000, which is more than the cost of a standard Airstream, but also more than the value of a lifetime of unforgettable experiences. (2024) 4Winds 28Z. The 2024 Thor Motor Coach 4Winds 28Z Class C Motorhome is an excellent option for those in search of a large and luxurious RV. This model's amenities include a spacious living area, thanks to a huge slide-out, a rear bedroom with a queen bed, and a cab-over bunk that can accommodate 2 extra people. The kitchen has a microwave, a standard-sized refrigerator, and a stove with 3 burners. This RV can sleep up to 8 people comfortably because to its sofa and dinette that fold out into bedrooms. You can take advantage of the beautiful weather by using the outdoor kitchen stove and refrigerator. There is a 55-gallon fuel tank, a power awning that extends 14 feet, and manual leveling jacks on the 28Z. Its suggested retail price of $142,050 is somewhat steep. IO Camper Truck. The IO Camper Truck is an adaptable and roomy camper that can be mounted on the back of a pickup truck. This groundbreaking invention is a collapsible RV body that can be mounted on any dual cab pickup in a matter of minutes. It provides room for up to 5 people and is equipped with everything necessary for a relaxing camping experience. The IO Camper Truck is constructed from robust waterproof materials and features an updated minimalistic design. It has everything you may need, including a double bed, 2 single beds, a dining table, a kitchen, a bathroom, a lockable door, windows, ventilation, power outlets, USB ports, LED lighting, and more. You have the option of purchasing either a shell unit or a completely furnished unit, depending on your needs and budget. Those in the market for a truck camper that also provides the conveniences of home will find the IO Camper Truck to be an excellent alternative. The best thing is that the starting price for this incredible item is merely $26,000. Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme is an excellent option if you're shopping for a high-end camper van, because it combines elegance with excellent performance and interior amenities. This high-end A-Class RV stands out thanks to its sleek exterior and generous interior, both of which are outfitted with premium-grade fixtures and materials. The 700DC has an island bed and an end bathroom, whereas the 700DL has 2 single beds and a shared bathroom. The all-day central heating, multimedia wall, panoramic roof window, and Mach app for smartphone control are just some of the features standard on the Sonic Supreme motorhome. Although the Adria Sonic Supreme normally retails for £110,500, you may often find significant discounts and sales on the internet. If you have high expectations and want to travel in comfort and style, the Adria Sonic Supreme is your best bet. Morello Grand Empire. 26T. The Morello Grand Empire 26T is an innovative concept for high-end RVs. It boasts a high-performance chassis, a novel energy philosophy, and excellent standard equipment. It is a car that spares no expense. It has a ton of room, excellent soundproofing, wonderful acoustics, the ideal temperature and humidity, and toasty warm floors at every level. The kitchen is complete with an induction stove, dishwasher, and 196-liter refrigerator freezer. The roomy bathroom comes equipped with a domestic drain, porcelain toilet, and rain shower. It contains a comfortable bedroom with a king-size bed, a closet, and a TV. A 230-volt power source, a 500-liter gasoline tank, and a counter-rotating steering system make this vehicle state-of-the-art. It's the ultimate mobile house, a statement of self-sufficient luxury and the peak of first-class travel. You may purchase a Morello Grand Empire 26T for €1,200,000. Hitch Hotel. Suppose you had a hotel room that you could transfer to any vehicle and use at any time. A hotel room that, in a matter of minutes, can transform from a cramped box into a roomy cabin. A hotel room that raises you up off the floor and provides a spacious space and a breathtaking outlook. That's the Hitch Hotel, the world's first inflatable wheelless trailer. The Hitch Hotel is the ideal companion for any vacation, be it a cross-country drive, a camping trip, or a quick weekend escape. It's convenient in every way, in operation, storage, and transport. The best part is that it won't cost you an arm and a leg. Early donors can save a lot of money on the retail price of the Hitch Hotel, which is currently set at $4,499. So why do you linger? The Hitch Hotel is the pinnacle of mobile lodging, so hitch it up and hit the road. Nomad Pro. The Nomad Pro is modeled after the Mitsubishi Canter, a highly adaptable and dependable 2WD truck that can be driven virtually anywhere. With the addition of a desk, table, bench, bed, kitchen, sink, and shower, the cargo hold is converted into a comfortable living space. Inhaling fresh air and seeing at beautiful landscape can be quite therapeutic, and you can do both by opening the right side of the truck. Bamboo wood flooring, natural wood finishes, tatami-style seating, and a hinoki bath stool are just a few of the nods to traditional Japanese design that can be found throughout the home. The yagasuri pattern, representing quickness of movement and intelligence, is also reflected in the outside livery. The Nomad Pro is reasonably priced at roughly $150,000 given its extensive list of features and adaptability. Tiffin Allegro Bus. This class A diesel motorhome is built on the Powerglide chassis, ensuring a smooth and stable ride, and features 4 unique floor plans, including the 45 FP with a bath and a half. The Allegro bus is equipped with the latest technology, such as the Eclipse module for remote operation, Starlink Pro Wi-Fi for unlimited satellite internet, and Onan Quiet Diesel Series RV QD 10,000 generator. The interior of the Allegro bus is designed to impress, with handcrafted cabinet colors, heated porcelain tile floors, and luxurious decor options. You can choose from different paint layouts, such as Generation 11 or Generation 12, to customize your coach's exterior. The Allegro bus is more than just a coach. It's a testament to luxury, innovation, and capability. The price of the Allegro bus